And this is something really important, particularly to us in this day and age. How many times do you go on YouTube and if you write the word exposed, how many videos will pop up? It's countless. That's what brings in the views. That's what people want to see. Oh, so-and-so exposed. Give everyone the benefit of the doubt. If we are in this situation, we want to receive the benefit of the doubt. We want to somehow clear our name. Yet when someone else makes a mistake, so quick to judge them. Remember, we need to be just. That's the main character of a Muslim, to always be just. Maybe he was taken out of context. Maybe he was speaking to a particular audience about a particular matter. Remember, we need to be just. And this is something, subhanAllah, when you go through the hadith and you go through the seerah, you'll be amazed how you see this in the Sahaba. It's amazing the way they would do this. You know, one narration comes to mind where the Prophet ﷺ was in Medina and the Battle of Uhud was about to take place, and the mushrikeen were coming all the way to Medina from Mecca, and they were about to attack. And the Prophet ﷺ asked, what do you think we should do? Should we go out and meet them? Or should we wait over here in the city and fight them in the city? Now the better thing would have been to fight within the city. And around the Prophet ﷺ were the elders, like Abu Bakr, Umar radiallahu anhu, Uthman, Ali radiallahu anhum, and also the younger Sahaba. And they thought, yeah, why should we wait for them? We should go out and fight. So they said, O Prophet of Allah, I think we should go out and fight. The elders did not speak because of the respect that they had for the Prophet ﷺ. Now, when the Prophet ﷺ went and put his armor on, the elders then spoke up and said, why did you say that? Don't you know it's better to fight in the city? We know it a lot better. It would have been the better option. And the youngsters then understood that, oh, we have made a mistake. The Prophet ﷺ came back out with his armor on. They said, O Prophet of Allah, we've changed our mind and we think it's better to fight within the city. And the Prophet ﷺ said, no, once a Prophet of Allah puts on his armor, he is not allowed to take it off. That's a part of the Sharia of the Prophets. Now, the main point over here is, in this hadith, when you read it, you'll see the names of some of the elders mentioned, but you won't find the names of any of the youngsters. Because the Sahaba didn't want to say, oh, it was his fault. They don't want to point fingers. And subhanAllah, look at that. And you'll find that in countless narrations. It's so ajib the way the Sahaba would protect the honor of their brother and their Muslim. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to emulate that and bring that into our lives. To think good of people, think that whatever I think about another person will be thought of me.